Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Challenger headlight assembly. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. Gather all your tools, including a ratchet, sockets, and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before proceeding with any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, you'll need to access the headlight mounting points, which often requires removing the front bumper cover. Begin by locating and removing all the fasteners that secure the bumper, typically found in the wheel wells, under the bumper, and along the top edge. Carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle, ensuring no wires are still attached. Set it aside safely. With the bumper removed, the headlight assembly is now fully exposed. You'll see the electrical connectors on the back of the headlight. Gently press the release tabs and unplug these connectors. Next, locate and remove the 3 bolts or screws that hold the headlight in place. Once all fasteners are out, carefully pull the headlight assembly straight out. Before you finish, take a moment to inspect the area for any remaining clips or wires that might have been overlooked. If you're replacing the headlight, ensure the new one is ready. Store your old headlight assembly in a secure place to prevent damage. Remember to reconnect your car's battery once all work is complete and test your lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.